Kasi brothers, my Jaintia brothers. I'm very, very grateful to all the tribals, indigenous tribals of Northeast, because all of them have been calling me up and saying that we are together. Even my Kasi brothers, they said they will be fighting together with us also. If needed, I need to call upon them only, so they will be coming. So I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, my Kasi brothers. Thank you, my Jaintia brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Ki kin hon seng bhalang kinong yalam niam lemba kiwe ki reurang ba kibadon kamin sim jingkit kli halor ki jingya kinat omsnam dangshan hari lom garu hapdeng ki riulom bat ki bomde riulom nakabenta ki jing shim benta haka election shi GHEDC hinne kasngi ka arpusaw trek ulber kilalek ban yakandu ya ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar ban pin sngo shu ba ka scheduled tribe certificate kalong kabadon kambha rilom garu nakabenta kibanyo yakhun ke election shi GHEDC badru ikibanyo banjit nong mikman haba pintip shakilat pathai khubor u tengsak gabil momin u president ke GSU ulo ong ba ke jingwan yakandu ya ulat kadai badon kam bha ban pintip ba ke ST certificate kalong ka badon kam lembat ke jingdon kam ban amendment yakarul shispa arpupra e
As you've seen, and you also know that there has been a disturbing situation going on in Garhwal regarding the participation of the non-tribals in the district council. You all know that one. So, as a matter of fact, we met the government for one point only, that the scheduled tribe certificate be made mandatory. It must be made mandatory for any participation for voting or contesting in the district council election. That is one of the point. Now another point is amending Rule 128. Actually, Rule 128 A. So we asked the governor that certain words should be inserted, just like indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be inserted in that particular rule. And another is this one, District Council Composition Executive Committee, Chapter 1, General. Here for qualification for membership, again, paragraph 8A, these words, indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be inserted so that non-tribals cannot vote in the district council. So we talk about amending the para 12A also. This discussion has been going on because we have a series of meetings with the KSU also, FKGJP here in Shillong also. So we have been asking for the amendment of the para 12A, because this para 12A, the government of Meghalaya incessantly interferes in the district council rules through this para 12A. So we talk with the governor whether there is a possibility to amend the para 12A. So the governor has been his response has been quite positive, and the governor was talking about SIR also, whether SIR should be implemented before commencing with the district council elections. So these are the certain things we have discussed with the governor, and the governor said that the honorable chief minister has met with the honorable governor also. So they have discussion regarding the some amendments in the rules, election rules. Some amendments in the election rule, particularly the mandatory scheduled tribe certificate, which must be possessed by any person to contest or vote in the district council election. Regarding the amendment of Rule 128, yes, that's what I've stated. Rule 128, I think they have not talked about amending the Rule 128 actually, but yes, in a way. So that's why I was saying indigenous scheduled tribe of Garhwal must be included in that amendment.